Is joint tenants with rights to survivorship. It's a way to make your house avoid the probate process and automatically go down to your surviving spouse. So typically what's going to happen is you and your spouse will change the title to that property from tenants in common, which is typically default, to joint tenants with rights to survivorship. Each of you will own 50-50 of that property. When one of you passes away, your half of the house will automatically transfer over to the surviving spouse. All they have to do is go file a survivorship affidavit and the death certificate with the county clerk's office. They will process those documents and make the transfer of ownership to the surviving spouse, and then they will own 100% of it without it having to go through the probate process. The problem, if it goes through probate, is that property will be sold. And then the problem with that is typically people are living on both incomes just to make it. And so when you lose half of your income for the household, you get into a financial bind. And when you can't sell that property because it's stuck in probate, you can't get into a better financial position that's more affordable beyond that lower income. And so it's going to be stuck in there. It's going to put your surviving spouse in a bind if it's not avoiding the probate process. So the joint tenants with rights to survivorship is a good, relatively cheap way to set up your title of your property to avoid the probate process, so it automatically goes to them and they can do with it what they need to do to get into a better financial position after one of you passes away. If you want help setting this up and you use one of our trusts, your assets will avoid the probate process, or we'll do probate for free. Click link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to someone on our team.